Today we're tackling a question that has been blowing up on the internet recently. DeepSeek versus OpenAI. What's the difference? This is a tech comparison you don't want to miss. I'm going to break down why this rivalry could shape the future of AI and why you should care. OpenAI gave you ChatGPT. DeepSeek is building an AI that could outsmart it. But here's the twist. One's a global superstar, the other is China's secret weapon. OpenAI was born in San Francisco's startup scene. Their mission? AI for all humanity. But DeepSeek, they're China's answer. Based in Beijing, they're laser focused on AI that works for China and in China. Think of it like Tesla versus BYD. Same tech, totally different playbooks. Open source versus closed source. OpenAI started as a non-profit. Then it took $10 billion from Microsoft. Now ChatGPT 4 is locked behind paywalls. DeepSeek, they're flooding GitHub with open source tools. Why? Because China wants AI sovereignty, not relying on Western tech. So while OpenAI is guarding its secret, DeepSeek's betting on the crowd. Who wins? Depends. Do you trust a corporation or a dictatorship? But wait, open source isn't always free. DeepSeek's code? It follows China's rules. Always. OpenAI's model writes poems and passes law exams. DeepSeek, they are automating factories, optimizing supply chains. See, OpenAI sells creativity, DeepSeek sells efficiency. But here's the kicker. China's economy runs on efficiency. If DeepSeek nails AI-driven manufacturing, they could outproduce the West permanently. Poems don't build tanks, but AI factories, they might. Good AI versus obey AI. OpenAI is obsessed with ethical AI. They've got teams ensuring ChatGPT does not offend anyone. DeepSeek, their ethics are simple. Follow the party. China's AI must align with socialist values. So while OpenAI debates robot rights, DeepSeek's monitors Uruguay's. Harsh? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. It's like Tony Stark versus the Mandarin. One's flashy, the other's ruthless. The AGI endgame. Both want artificial general intelligence, an AI that thinks like humans. But OpenAI is scared of Skynet. DeepSeek, they're sprinting full speed. Why? China's aging population needs AI workers. So while the West debates, China builds. And if AGI arrives in Beijing first, they'll write the rules. But here's the scary part. No matter who wins, we will still be the product. So who's better? OpenAI is the artist, DeepSeek's the soldier. But in AI arms race, there are no winners, just survivors.